So you might be trying to figure out how you can use the new Grok Imagine feature. Now to do this, it's actually pretty basic, it doesn't really take too much time, but you will have to go through and have the Grok Plus account or Super Grok like account that you have to pay for. So keep that in mind. In order to use Imagine, you will have to do that. Now you can do this within Grok the app. You might be able to do it inside of X as well, but we'll do it within Grok itself. So start off by opening up the Grok application, and you want to go ahead and basically see the little option that says up at the top. It shows Ask, and then it shows Imagine. So what you want to do is you want to tap on the Imagine portion that comes up right here, and then you'll get into this prompt. Now this prompt is going to tell you Imagine anything early access beta. It's going to say upgrade to Super Grok. You will need to have Super Grok in order to do this. Now, when you actually go through and kind of sign up for Super Grok, you'll kind of come into this type of page. So you're going to see a lot of different images and stuff that you can kind of see. So if you want to start using Imagine, this little top portion right up here, which shows you the little the pencil icon, the new draft icon, you can tap onto that new draft icon, and what will happen is it will actually allow you to start bringing in images and start using Grok as it is. Now, if it's missing, you might have to go through and update your Grok application. So go through Update Grok. That could be another one of those things you might have to do at that standpoint, but that's basically how you use it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.